Oh, trying to grab those crisp Amazon product videos, maybe for a review edit, a TikTok affiliate promo, or just study how brands do their product storytelling, right? Here's the deal: Amazon doesn't officially let you download product videos, for copyright and licensing reasons. Uh, but there are fully legit ways to save or use them for educational, review, or affiliate purposes. No sketchy stuff. So let's walk through every option from pro level to quick hack. Option one: use Amazon's affiliate or influencer tools the official way. If you're an Amazon associate or TikTok shop affiliate, you're gonna just type right here Amazon associate, right? This is the cleanest, most legal route. All right, go to your Amazon Associates dashboard, search the product, and under Get Link, switch to the Video tab if available. You'll find approved promotional media, including videos, and you can use on your site or content. Some are downloadable directly, others can be embedded. Perfect for affiliate landing pages. Best for affiliates, YouTubers, and reviewers who want to stay in the clear, right? You can option two, you can use a screen recording, 100% safe and simple. If you're not affiliate but still want that visual, open the Amazon product page on your browser or app, maximize the video window, click full screen, right? Make sure right here to hit the record if you're using iPhone. Use your device's built-in recorder, right? On Mac, CMD plus Shift plus 5, okay? Record selected area. On Windows plus Alt plus R, Xbox game bar. iPhone, Control Center, screen recorder, right? Android, swipe down, screen recorder. Play the product video while recording, trim it later in your editor, like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut. Pro tip, record in 1080p and use an ad blocker or full screen mode for a clean capture. Alright, so you have other options like request media directly from the seller. If you're creating a review, reach out to the seller or brand through Amazon's contact seller option. Hey, I'm making a product review. Can I use your official video for reference or promotional purposes? Many will send you a clean, high resolution file because it means free publicity for them. Bonus tip, clean up and reuse like a pro. If you are repurposing the video for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, etc., trim out Amazon branding if required. Add voiceover, text overlays, or commentary. This makes it transformative, which is fair use. Never re-upload the video raw, claiming it's yours. That's copyright territory. Avoid shady Amazon downloader websites. They often inject malware, require login, big no-no, break every few months. Stick with the screen recording or developer tools. Both are safe and under your control. So, what's your use case exactly? Are you trying to download product videos for affiliate content, edit for review clips, or archive examples of good ad storytelling? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.